The classic intro riff to Nothing Else Matters. A great first riff for a beginner. We don't need the left hand in this riff. The right hand is doing all the work. We'll be using a pick to pick the open strings. This is very important. Anchor the hand to the top of the guitar. I'm not pressing, not forcing it in any way. I'm just touching the top of the guitar so I get a sense of how far the guitar body is from my hand, which also helps me with, for example, this jump. So from string 6 to string 3, which is probably the most difficult part in the whole riff. Make sure you keep your hand as steady as possible. Hold your pick quite lightly, but firmly. And let's try it out.